Welcome, foodies and curious minds. Today, we're diving deep into the world of unagi, a Japanese delicacy loved around the globe. But hold on tight, because we're about to uncover some surprising and lesser-known facts about this delicious delight. So, let's embark on this savory adventure. Behold, the unagi. With its irresistible aroma and delicate flavor, this dish has captivated culinary enthusiasts for centuries. But what secrets does it hold? Let's find out. To understand unagi, we must first learn about its unique species. In Japan, it's commonly known as Anguilla japonica or Japanese freshwater eel. These creatures have a fascinating life cycle, starting their journey in the ocean, then migrating to freshwater rivers to grow and mature. Preparing unagi is an art form in itself. Traditionally, it's grilled over charcoal, brushed with a special sweet soy-based sauce known as tare. This cooking technique brings out the eel's tender texture and enhances its natural flavors. Did you know that unagi is a seasonal delicacy in Japan? It's most popular during the hot summer months, especially on Doyo no Ushi no Hai or the Day of the Ox in the Japanese calendar. It's believed that consuming unagi on this day provides energy and vitality to endure the summer heat. Beyond its mouth-watering taste, unagi is packed with essential nutrients. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, vitamins, and minerals, this dish offers a range of health benefits, contributing to heart health and brain function. Scene 6. Cultural Symbolism. Unagi holds deep cultural symbolism in Japan. It's considered a food for celebrations, prosperity, and good luck. People often eat unagi to gain strength and resilience, just like the eels that tirelessly swim upstream. Concerned about sustainability? Fear not. Today, many restaurants and suppliers are committed to responsible fishing practices, ensuring that unagi is sourced responsibly and in harmony with the environment. While unagi has its roots in Japan, its popularity has spread worldwide. From traditional Japanese restaurants to fusion cuisine, unagi has become a sought-after delicacy enjoyed by diverse cultures. If you're a foodie or someone who enjoys unique culinary experiences, trying unagi should be on your bucket list. Its delicate flavor and cultural significance make it a gastronomic adventure like no other. Let's raise our chopsticks and give a toast to unagi, a dish that continues to surprise and delight our taste buds. Cheers to uncovering the lesser-known wonders of this delicious delicacy. That concludes our journey through the unknown facts about unagi. We hope you enjoyed this flavorful adventure. If you're a fan of unagi or intrigued by this exotic dish, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and remember to keep exploring the world of delightful flavors. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep discovering the joys of food from around the world. See you soon. Goodbye.